Hi, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo, where we love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll find useful. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how to make an amazing flavorful lasagna using my flavorful pork ragu recipe. I will place that video at the end of this one. To tell you the truth, I've never had a pork lasagna until I made this one. And let me tell you, I make it time and time again. And it's always out of this world delicious. I'm excited to show you this recipe, so let's get started. Two cups shredded Italian blend cheese and 3 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, half cup dried green chives, 18 lasagna noodles, and flavorful pork ragu. Preheat oven at 350 degrees. Butter a 9x13 baking dish. In this bowl, I have the Italian blend cheese and the mozzarella cheese. To it, I am going to add the dried green chives and mix well. Now I am going to begin assembling this deliciousness. Now I am going to cover this with aluminum foil and bake it for 40 minutes. now for more cheese. Okay, now it's going back into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. It was bubbling in the oven for 20 minutes. This looks amazing. I am not going to cut into it now. I am going to leave it on the cooling rack for 10 minutes and then I'll cut into it. Okay, I'm going to give this a try. It smells amazing. This fabulous pork ragu lasagna is delicious. Wow. It's like I'm floored. That's how good it is. It's delicious. Wow, the flavors just burst in my mouth. You hear my opinion right after I tried it, and I hope I gave you enough reason to try and make the pork ragu and lasagna. I am so glad I was able to share this flavorful pork lasagna with you. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching and subscribing. You guys are awesome. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.